Hello everybody, they will do this split, and how to do it I will show you now. So stay with me and we will get started. So first the exercise, we'll get sit in this position, take our hands and still, so take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we try to take back leg for ourselves and still in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Try to take this leg and stretching this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And work with back leg. So take it 1, take it 2, take it 3, take it 4, and 5. Good work. Take it down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take down and take on your elbow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take leg like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, try to take slowly other leg behind and get it in this split. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking this side, try take your leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and try stretch your leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly take your hands and try stretch to back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try take back in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And try move your hip, but be careful because you can fall. So I will take in this side and take stretch. So take breathe and slowly go down for this leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly stand up and go behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take two legs together. Slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe, and take me like. So bye bye.